once again I come to, in continuation with our previous lecture, the topic on functions. We have discussed in detail a variety of questions in the previous video. Now today we have something more. Again, most important type of functions before us. Please note down. This is a composition mapping. Composition mapping, also known as function of a function. Check out. Composition mapping, function of a function. Now how it is defined? See, let f is a mapping from x to y. F is a mapping from x to y. We defined by y is equal to fx. X belongs to x, y belongs to y. G is a mapping from y to z. We defined by z is equal to gy. G is a mapping from y to z. We defined by z is equal to gy. Y belongs to y, z belongs to z. This is a z small element of this set, z. Check out. Then we have G circle f. इसको पढ़ना है not G O F. It is G circle f. G circle f is a mapping from x to z. We defined by z is equal to G circle fx. Now graphically we can show we have one set here x, y, z. F is a mapping we have from x to y. This is f. Then this is of course is taken as d. Therefore, from x to y. X is the element of the set x, y is the element of y. So we say, first of all, y is equal to fx, this is the portion. And then you have from y to z, see this, defined by g, z is equal to gy. Draw this figure. Then we say that we have a mapping G circle f, G circle fx is equal to z. Is defined from x to z. It is defined by z is equal to G circle fx. See, G circle fx is a mapping from x to z. Z is equal to G circle fx. Now you can just show with the help of a arrow diagram like this. Now some observations. G circle fx is just equal to G of fx. Check out. G circle fx is G of fx. Then we have f circle gx is f of gx. मतलब O की जगह पर ये circle की जगह पर bracket you will introduce. ठीक है? Then we say, for example, let us come to the explanation of all these. We have number one, x is the set of a b c d e, y is the set of p q r s. Z is the set of alpha, beta, gamma. Suppose we define f from x to y. We define by y is equal to fx. G is a mapping from y to z. We defined by z is equal to gy. Dekho. Then we can say G circle fa. First element you can take G circle fa is G of fa. F of a का मतलब हो गया, this is P. See, because the mapping is from x to y. So f of a is, this is g, g of p. G of p is alpha from the definition itself. Similarly, you can say g circle fb, g of fb, this element is equal to gq is equal to beta. And g circle fc, g of fc, gr, we have taken this third element is equal to gamma. So in this way you can just define a composition mapping. Take one more example. We have a function f in the form of ordered pairs 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4. G is a function 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 9. He says write down the range of f, range of d. Also find G circle f. Therefore, now range of f is 4, 5, 6. This. A range of G is 7, 8, 9. अच्छा, let us now come to G circle F1. देखो 1 का इमेज 5 है यहाँ पर. G circle F1 is G of F1, G5. G5 is nothing but equal to 8. See, these two sets we are involving. Similarly, G circle F2, G of F2 is G of 6. F2, देखो 2 का इमेज 6, G6 is 9. And similarly, we have G circle F3. G circle F3 is G of F3. This is G of 4. देखो यहाँ पर 3 का इमेज 4. ठीक है ना? That means equal to 7. So this is the way how you can calculate the composition of G circle F. The range of G circle F is taken as 7, 8, 9. See, remember one thing, the concept of this composition mapping is most important when we study functions, because immediately after that we shall switch over to inverse trigonometrical functions. That is the major topic of our differential calculus. But it is, of course, we shall try to make clear, keeping in mind these ideas, what is the composition mapping, what is the inverse of a mapping, and so. Now take up another question. Please note down. If fx is equal to e to the power x, gx is log x, find g circle f, f circle g. Note down. If fx is equal to e to the power x, gx is log x, find g circle f, f circle g. देखो, g circle fx, g of fx, g of fx is e to the power x. This is gx, log of e to the power x. Use power formula of log, x log e. Log e is 1, therefore this is equal to just x. Here you can say, because log e is 1. Again take out f circle gx, f circle gx, f of gx, f of log x, e to the power log x. This is in my previous video, you can check up the list of results. There I told you e to the power log x is equal to x. So we say that g circle fx is equal to f circle gx. So here also we can say, therefore g circle f is an identity function, or we can call identity mapping. Check out. Now in the same way we have one more question. Fx is equal to 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. Gx is 7x plus 4 upon this. Find g circle fx, f circle gx. See, g circle fx, g of fx, g of fx, fx ये दिया हुआ है. Now g of this, here I shall replace x with this. Here it is 7 into this much. Simplify, take the LCM, it is just equal to x. You make the calculations yourself with the help of the notes I have given. Similarly, we can show f circle gx in the same way. You can go for is equal to x. Therefore, g circle fx is f circle gx, बराबर है दोनों, is equal to x. Therefore, we say g circle fx is an identity function. Check out. Note करो इसको, बहुत important question है. Similarly, if fx is equal to 8x cube, gx is x the cube root, then see, g circle fx is g of fx, g of 8x cube. This is equal to 2x only, because 2 cube into x cube, simply 2x is left. When you have f circle gx, it is f of gx. देखो, it is f of x की 1 by 3. Put up here, it is 8 into x. So here we can say that g circle f is not equal to f circle g. Check out. Now we go for another question. You can add here. This is again a very important question to make the concept clear. That is, fx is equal to, say, x square gx is equal to sin x. देखो fx is equal to x square, gx is equal to sin x. Therefore, in the solution, g circle fx, यहाँ पर लिख लो, if this find g circle f, f circle g. There it is if g circle fx, g of fx, देखो it is g of fx. fx का मतलब हो गया x square and this is gx. gx यहाँ पर ये है, तो naturally it will be sin x square. Check out. And when you have f circle g, f circle gx is f of gx. This is f of gx is sin x, and therefore we say it is sin x the whole square. Sin x the whole square is equal to sin square x. देखो, that means it's very clear that g circle fx, g circle f is not equal to f circle g. मतलब ये है कि composition mapping is not commutative. Now take up another case. We have fx is equal to x modulo gx is equal to 5x minus 2 modulo. Find g circle fx, f circle gx. देखो as before. So in the solution you can add g circle fx is g of fx. G of fx is g of fx is x modulo, like this. So it will be equal to 5x modulo minus 2 the modulus g circle fx. Similarly, f circle gx is f of gx. This is f of gx is 5x minus 2 modulo. देखो, and this will be equal to modulus of modulus 5x minus 2 modulo. See, यहाँ पर ये जब चेक कर लो, fx is x modulo. So instead of this x here, I shall replace this 5x minus 2 modulo. So it is like this. Check out. Say one more question. It is fx is equal to x integer, gx is equal to x modulo. देखो, he says find the value of f circle g minus 3 by 2 plus g circle f 4 by 3. Check up please, check out. 4 by 3. देखो. So let us try here. See the solution. It is f circle g of minus 3 by 2 plus g circle f 4 by 3. Use the definitions. F of g minus 3 by 2 plus g of f 4 by 3. देखो, this is f of g minus 3 by 2. ये हो जाएगा minus 3 by 2 का मॉडुलस. चेक आउट. क्योंकि gx is x मॉडुलस plus g of f 4 by 3. fx is this, so it will be equal to 4 by 3. Integer function like this. See, it is equal to f of 3 by 2. F of minus 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 the modulus is positive, of course, the positive quantity, plus g of 4 by 3 the integer function like this, the integer. Now put up here, see, f of 3 by 2 the integer, 3 by 2 the integer, plus g of 4 by 3, g of 4 by 3, it is in this case. Here you will have to simplify this, g of 1 point something is 1, so it becomes here 1, 3 by 2 का integer हो गया, this is equal to just 1 point something 1 plus g of 1 is 1 modulo is 2. देखो ठीक है. Yes, similarly now we can take up, it was just f circle g, now take up g circle f. G circle f is minus 3 by 2. No, only this much he wants, so that's why there is no need of solving it further. The value is just equal to 2. Now take up one more question. It is fx is equal to, this is another question I can add, fx is equal to 3x minus 2, gx is equal to x to the power 5. He says find the value of g circle fx. He wants this, g circle fx. So this is equal to g circle fx, g of fx. g of fx का मतलब हो गया 3x minus 2 and this is equal to 3x minus 2 the power 5. देखो 3x minus 2 the power 5. Similarly he wants find the value of f circle fx. See, this is f of fx, this is f of fx is f of 3x minus 2. Check out. And here now we shall replace 3 into 3x minus 2 minus 2. So that will be like 9x minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. In this way you can simplify this. Okay? Now we go for another definition. What do you mean by the equal functions? Equal functions. Note करो, two functions f, g are said to are called equal functions. Equal functions are written as f is equal to g if and only if fx is equal to gx. Equal if and only if fx is equal to gx. Here f is a mapping from x to y, g is also a mapping from x to y. This is the case of equal functions. Now for equal functions we can say that if, for example, fx is equal to x plus 1, gx is equal to x square minus 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1. Here x is not equal to 1. So we say that f is not equal to g. Check out. Because the condition we have imposed that f is not equal to g. That's why this is a case of not equal function. Now we saw one thing more we can talk, reciprocal function. reciprocal function. See please, the function f from A to B is said to be a reciprocal function. Reciprocal function if fx is equal to 1 upon x. Of course, x is not equal to 0. Check out. This is a reciprocal function. And some simple note here you can add for the calculation work, that if we have, if f plus g or minus x is given, that is equal to fx plus minus gx. All the algebraic operations are applied in such cases. For example, fx is equal to, say, under root of x minus 2, gx is under root of x square minus 1, then we say that f plus g x is equal to under root of x minus 2 plus under root of x square minus 1. Now with these cases, we are able to explain today the composition mapping, its applications. Tomorrow in the next video, I shall consider 1 on 2 functions, and then the inverse of a function, and ultimately inverse trigonometrical functions. Thank you.